Thank you very much Ensoko TV for this chance just to talk about Independent Kenya Women Award, where we have come here just to celebrate great women in the society. First of all is to thank God for this opportunity to celebrate my dear wife for winning the CEO of the year 2025 under the age of 35 years old. She is the Managing Director of TechnoHub Technologies and Electronics Limited, and we are here to celebrate what the Lord has done for her and for the entire TechnoHub fraternity. We are here standing with her just to celebrate the achievements of the company, given the efforts, the integrity that we uphold, the vision of the company, the mission of the company, and the objectives that we uphold as a company. We have been able to come up with a foundation which is geared towards helping the girl child and helping the street families as a whole. We as TechnoHub Technologies and Electronics Limited, located in the CBD, Hazina Towers and Runda Mall, which is along Kiambu Road. We offer assistance to the street families, the young girls who are vulnerable in the streets. We offer rehabilitation facilities to those young and vulnerable girls. We do repatriation of the young girls back to their parents and to their guardians. We also offer education to the young girls in the society who lack the basic education. We offer women empowerment programs for the street families, especially the women who are in the streets and they don't have the basic requirements, food, shelter, and clothing. We do soap making empowerment programs. We do also the other activities, including selling of essential goods and services in the society.